Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Jamaica defeated Cayman Islands 21-5 to record their only win in Pool C of the women's 3-on-3 basketball competition at the Commonwealth Games in Glasgow, Scotland on Friday. Before facing Cayman Islands, Jamaica's women had suffered back-to-back defeats, narrowly losing 18-17 to Uganda before going down 21-13 to Australia. In swimming, Jessica Calderbank failed to advance to the final of the women's 50-meter butterfly after placing 6th in her semi-final in 26.88 seconds. She had earlier clocked 27.17 to finish 5th in her heat. Keita Campbell also failed to advance to the final of the men's 100-meter breaststroke after finishing 8th in his semi-final, clocking a minute 02.02 seconds. He had earlier clocked a minute 02.31 seconds for 5th in his heat. And in lawn bowls, Robert Simpson lost 2-0 to Fiji's Rajneesh Prasad in round 2 of Section C, his second defeat in men's singles action. The nation's netballers, silver medalists 4 years ago, will begin their campaign on Saturday when they face Caribbean rivals Trinidad and Tobago, starting at 1 p.m. Jamaica time. Track and field, which was responsible for 13 of the nation's 15 medals 4 years ago, will begin on Monday.